Hey guys, it's Cephas from Reddit, picking the 64 Ti 50 ABUS Titanium. Hopefully you guys can see this because I can't actually monitor my camera, but I guess we'll see. Alright, for this I'm going to use standard bar, standard hook. Picked this a couple times before, sometimes quick, sometimes not so much, but hopefully we can get this going. So let's see how we do. And there we go. Hopefully that caught on film. Alright, I guess we'll see upon review. But there it is. Key. Cool. Take it easy, guys. Thanks.